الله الرحمن الرحيم ألم يروا كم أهلكنا قبلهم من القرون أنهم إليهم لا يرجعون. Have they not considered how many generations we destroyed before them, that they to them will not return? وإن كل لما جميع لدينا محضرون. And indeed all of them will yet be brought present before us. وآية لهم الأرض الميتة وأحييناها وأخرجنا منها حبا فمنه يأكلون. And a sign for them is the dead earth. We have brought it to life and brought forth from it grain, and from it they eat. وجعلنا فيها جنات من نخيل وأعناب وفجرنا فيها من العيون. And we placed therein gardens of palm trees and grape vines, and caused to burst forth therefrom some springs. ليأكلوا من ثمره وما عملته أيديهم أفلا يشكرون. That they may eat of his fruit, and their hands have not produced it, so will they not be grateful. سبحان الذي خلق الأزواج كلها مما تنبت الأرض ومن أنفسهم ومما لا يعلمون. Exalted is he who created all pairs from what the earth grows, and from themselves, and from that which they do not know. وآية لهم الليل نسلخ منه النهار فإذا هم مظلمون. And a sign for them is the night. We remove from it the light of day, so they are left in darkness. والشمس تجري لمستقر لها ذلك تقدير العزيز العليم. And the sun runs on course towards its stopping point. That is the determination of the exalted in might, the knowing. والقمر قدرناه منازل حتى عاد كالعرجون القديم. And the moon we have determined for its phases until it returns appearing like the old dead stalk. لا الشمس ينبغي لها أن تدرك القمر ولا الليل سابق النهار وكل في فلك يسبحون. It is not allowable for the sun to reach the moon, nor does the night overtake the day, but each in an orbit is swimming. صدق الله العظيم.